know you are one fun deputy. Can you help me gather up a posse? We need to stop those bandits. Well, pull my string. Yeehaw! Hey, howdy, hey. Come on, partner. Let's saddle up for adventure. Giddy up, partner. We gotta get this wagon train a-moving. There's a stake in my boot. This town ain't big enough for the two of us. Howdy, partner. My name's Sheriff Woody. Reach for the sky. You're my favorite deputy. Hello. So, how you doing? Ha-ha, boy, am I glad to see you. Yeehaw! Where's my trusty state bulldog? When there's trouble on the prairie, I'm your sheriff. Yeehaw! Ride 'em, cowboy! Look at that!
Did you get that horse with the hair?
What?
Being sheriff is a big responsibility, but hey, someone's got to do it. If there's one thing I've learned about being a sheriff, it's that you're only as good as your favorite deputy.